Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Siri on iPhone without home button. The first thing you will need to do is tap on settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Siri and search. After doing that, you're going to tap on the first option which says listen for Siri. And from here, you can select Siri or Hey Siri, or you can tap on Hey Siri. Once you have selected one of these options, all you'll need to do is say Hey Siri, and from there you'll be able to access Siri as you can see right there. So you don't need to press any button at all. Now if it is a case that you would like to press your side button to access Siri, all you'll need to do is toggle on the second option, which is press side button for Siri. You could toggle that right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use Siri on iPhone without pressing home button.